This 50-second explainer walks through Miranda rights using real body cam footage and reenactments to show when to stay silent and when to call a lawyer. Key tips include not volunteering information, clearly stating you want an attorney, and exercising the right to remain silent until counsel is present. In one reenactment, a routine stop turns tense, and the person calmly invokes rights, prompting a respectful pause from officers and a calmer scene. Crucial moments are after arrest and before questioning. Never sign without counsel. Stay calm, know your rights, and share this with others.